Thank you for watching another episode of Stoner's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. Today is a unboxing of a crystal Christmas tree. You may notice here that we already built one crystal Christmas tree, the pink one. And so we decided it was so nice we decided to build it twice. So we've got the purple one to build too. It is a little bit different from what we could tell from some pictures than the pink anyway, and then they're just really pretty and they go together very nicely. So let's get open so we can just show you what's inside there. Let's see, how do we open this box up? I see it. Yeah, we really had a lot of fun, and we love the finished look of the pink one. So when I saw there was a purple one too, I was like, yeah, let's do it. And I think there's one more color, but I can't remember what it was. I don't think we need 3 of them anyway. But anyway, yeah. So they are music boxes. This little turntable turns, and they make a nice little bit of Christmas music. It'll be interesting to see if it plays the same song or a different one. It is made by Simbo. You can see the bricks there. They are Lego sized, if not Lego compatible as far as we can tell, but they are certainly not Lego brand. Let's see here. Here is your instruction book, and it is in a booklet style format, which is nice. We didn't have any trouble assembling the pink one, so I don't expect any trouble assembling the purple one. The instructions look clear and easy to follow. My Mrs. Stoner's Reviews built the first pink one, and I am going to build the purple one here. Let's see. So the pink one does light up as well. So I'm just looking to see if I can find a light kit. Yeah, there it is. Here's our light kit, and it also comes with a brick tool. Very nice. So you can undo mistakes if you need to. Yeah, but then we got all that. And there are a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bags. And we've also got some decals to apply there. Let's see, I was trying to see if it told how many pieces there were in this kit. It says it's for ages 6+. Seems pretty reasonable. I don't see a list of how many bricks are on the kit there. Let's see, but the finished product is 268 millimeters, which is about 11 inches, maybe closer to 12 in the finished product. Alright, we'll get this built on camera, and we'll probably review it together with the pink one and see what we think, and see if we like it just as much as the pink one. I have a feeling we will. Thanks again for watching Stoner's Reviews. Please remember to like and subscribe. Please consider supporting us on Patreon. We have a camera that could use a little bit of help. For $3 a month, you get ad-free access to our videos, and that $3 can help you decide what to love making next.
I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.